Okay, good morning, first graders. How are we today?
Good.
Good? We feeling ready for school?
Yes,
I'm
excited to be
ready?
at school.
Okay, so we are going to start this morning with reading. And can we remember last time we've been working on the different parts of a story? Do we remember yesterday what was the first part of a story that we worked on? That we talked about? Yeah, Allie?
Characters.
Characters, you're right. And do we remember what book we read to look at the characters? Malin?
The Rainbow Fish.
The Rainbow Fish, right? And what can we remember some of the characters that we read about in the Rainbow Fish? Allie?
The Rainbow Fish.
Right, the Rainbow Fish. That's a pretty big one. There was
an octopus.
There was an octopus, right? Good job. Sometimes there can be more than one character. Good job. I'm glad you guys remember that. So today we're going to be working on learning about another part of a story that we have to have in a story to have a good story, okay? And that is the setting. Okay, so first what I want you guys to do is we're going to look at this picture. And in your head first, I want you to think of some words that come to your mind when you look at that picture. There's no wrong answer. Just make sure it's appropriate for school. So anything that comes to mind. And when you have at least 2 words in your mind, put your finger on your nose. All right, are we ready to share some aloud?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Allie, can you share with me one of the words that you think comes to mind?
A fence.
A fence. Great. I'm going to write these words down. Malin, can you share a word?
I see a barn.
Okay, a barn. Great. What are some more? Allie?
A blue sky.
Okay.
It's kind of light blue, but
Blue sky. Malin, do you have another one to share?
this picture kind of reminds me of a farm.
You're right. It does look like a farm. Perfect. Do we have any more that we want to share? Allie?
A tractor.
A tractor. Good job.
Ooh, and some hay.
And some hay. Perfect. Those are some great words. So what you guys just did is you took this picture, and this picture is a setting, and you guys found all of these different words to describe it. So the setting in a story, if this was a story, the setting is the place that the story is happening or when the story is happening, okay? So from our words up here, what could we say is the main place of this setting from some of these words up here? Malin?
The farm.
Right, the farm. Good job. And in some stories, there can be more than one place or one setting. So if in this picture, if this was a picture of our story, our main setting would be a farm. There's one word that I see up here that could be maybe another setting within the bigger setting. Do we know what that is? Allie?
I think it's the barn.
You're right, the barn. So some stories can have 2 different settings. A lot of the times there's one big setting and then some smaller ones within. And when we're reading a story, usually our characters match the setting that we're in. So they're usually the types of characters that would be there. So can you think of maybe some characters you would find in this farm setting? Malin?
A cow.
A cow. Okay. What are maybe some other characters you find in this setting? Allie?
A farmer.
A farmer. Perfect. How about one more? Malin?
A horse.
A horse.
That's a good one.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
So can we all agree that these are some good characters that you would probably find in a farm setting with all of these other things?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Great job. I love all of these great descriptions of the setting. There's a blue sky, there's a tractor, there's lots of different things, okay? So now we're going to play a game.
Ooh.
And I have some puzzle pieces.
I love puzzles.
Oh, me too. Puzzles are so much fun. So on the purple pieces, there's going to be words that are different settings, okay? And on the yellow pieces are going to be multiple words that describe one of these settings or maybe some characters that you would find in one of these settings, okay? So we're going to work in pairs to try to match up the setting with the words that describe it or the characters that you would find in it. So you're going to work together. If there's words that you can't read, ask your partner. And then if you still can't read it, you can ask me and I can read it for you. Okay? So you're going to match the one purple with one yellow, a setting with words that describe it. Okay?
Should we set all those out and then try to match to the purple pieces?
I like that idea.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start here.
Okay.
I think this says dessert. Does that say dessert?
That says, or you're going to ask your partner?
Well,
Yeah,
I just
Abby?
don't see anything about dessert, so I think it might be desert. Because you know how
That's
that word's
right.
kind of tricky?
Yeah.
Right. And
Yeah.
remember, all of these are different settings, different places.
And dessert's not a place. I think the one that's going to go with it is this one that says lizard, snake, hot, and dry. Because deserts are really hot.
I think you're right. Let's see if it matches.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, next one is farm. Ooh, we just talked about a farm. Ooh, those are ones we said.
And we had those up on
We had all four of those.
Oh, yeah.
I love
I
how
think
well
it's
you
gonna
guys are
match.
working together.
Perfect.
Okay.
Alaska. I think that's a state.
It is a state. It's not. No, water. There is water and fish, but I don't think there's dolphins up in Alaska.
No, I don't think so.
Maybe this one.
Ooh, I think
Cold
so.
and snow.
Yeah, there's a lot of snow in
And
Alaska. Let's see if
maybe-
it matches. Perfect. Okay, so outer space.
Ooh, I'm scared of outer space.
You are?
Well, I think it might be the one that has aliens. Because don't aliens live there?
Yeah. What does this word say? Do you know?
Sounds like a big word.
Yes, Malin.
Could you tell us what this word is?
That word says astronaut. Have you heard that word before?
Astronaut. That's like people who go to the moon.
Ooh,
You're
yeah.
right. People, they got
they
big,
live-
help, like things over their heads.
Yeah.
So they can
Yeah.
breathe.
Space
big
shuttle.
space suits.
Perfect.
Okay, two
So
more.
school.
Okay.
Ooh, we're there. I know.
Okay,
Yeah,
so I'm
Yeah,
positive
that's
it's
the
one.
right one.
And
And so the
then-
last one is ocean.
So it must be this one.
Yeah.
Fish, blue, dolphin,
Perfect.
and water.
All right, we're
All
done.
right, are we all done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so can I have each of you give me an example of one of the settings and the matching descriptions or characters? Yes, Malin.
We had a setting that's outer space, and we thought there's aliens, stars, planets, and then we learned a new word, astronaut.
Good. And what does astronaut mean?
It's a person that goes to space.
Perfect. Good job. And did that setting match those descriptions and those characters, right?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Allie, can you give me one example?
The setting is school, which we're in school right now, and then there's students, teachers, books, and it's fun.
Perfect. Do you feel those things all at school? Do you see all those things happening?
yeah.
Awesome. Great job. I love how you guys match the different settings to their descriptions. Now we're going to go to the carpet. We're going to reread the rainbow fish that we read yesterday. But this time we're going to focus on the setting, and we're going to talk about the different settings that we find in the rainbow fish. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go.